This video will help you pass the second participle CP. This is on usage. This will consist of a series of multiple choice questions plus some formation of the present active participle. And so the questions will shift up and rotate throughout the CP. So the first one is choose a noun from each group that agrees in case, number, and gender with each participle. Dubitantes, we have to remember that the present active participle is third declension. That IS makes it genitive singular. So I'm going to look at my options, and the only one of these that can be genitive singular is mangistri. Same question. Choose a noun that agrees in case, number, and gender with each participle. And I look at the ending. Since this is third, ibus has to be either ablative or dative plural. And the only one here that's ablative and dative plural is viris. M. This is going to be either masculine or feminine accusative singular. So I'm looking for something that's masculine or feminine accusative and singular. The only one here is filium. Ducum is genitive plural because it's third. Potarum is genitive plural. And nostrum is also genitive plural. This is a true-false. Latin has a present passive participle that is declined like a first or second declension adjective. False. Latin does not have a present passive participle, and the present active participle is declined like a third, so this is definitely false. Seeking the entrance to the underworld, Aeneas proceeded slowly through the woods. So we have to figure out who's seeking modifies. Seeking the entrance to the underworld. So who's seeking the entrance to the underworld? That's Aeneas. Aeneas is nominative, masculine, singular. So petens. And seeking ing is going to make this present active. Apugnaturus. Remember, urus makes this future. So the only one of these is that future is about to attack. Another true-false. The present active participle is declined like a third declension adjective. True. That is right. Oppressi. This is the perfect passive participle. And so the only one that's perfect passive is the men surprised. Because the men are being surprised, making it passive, and it was done in the past. So that would be perfect passive. Laborantes, this is the present active, and you're looking for something that's ing. That would be working. Affecti, this is the perfect passive, so we're looking for something that is perfect and passive, and having been inflicted is perfect passive translation. Lecturi sunt. Got to be careful here. Remember, the future active participle with a form of sunt is translated as a future. So it's just a simple future. And so it's are going to read. Suri preparing. So this is going to be a present active participle modifying suri, which is masculine nominative plural. The one that's masculine nominative plural is parantes. So the monster watched the trembling children. And so trembling is modifying children, which is masculine accusative plural. And that trementes is masculine accusative plural. And so now provide the requested form for the present active participle. So accusative singular feminine, portantem. Genitive plural neuter, portantium, because remember it's third declension adjective, which is an istem. The ablative singular form is adiante. Now for these, I have to give both a tense and a voice. Affecturos is future, and it's active. Remember, I got to click two boxes for these. Reducero is also future. Remember, the makes it future and active. Scripturae, again, another future and active. And lecturos, got lucky, another future and active. And that is how you pass the second CP for participles.